Hello students, you are welcome in statistics part 4 chapter 15. Now 15.2 we are talking of. Question 7th of 15.2. Calculate mean and variance for this observation. So these are class intervals 0 to 30, 30 to 60, corresponding frequencies. So we will follow shortcut method. For shortcut method we have to locate assumed mean, the value of A. So first of all calculate xi, mid values. So mid value can be calculated lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, so it is 15. Similarly for the next class, and you calculate mid values, then locate value of A. So middle observation, you have to locate middle observation, and this is middle observation, single middle observation. So value of x in the middle observation, that is A 105. So this is value of A, and h we know width of the class interval, it is 30. In the continuous class intervals, so upper limit minus lower limit can be calculated, done to calculate h. So calculate ui, so xi minus 105 upon 30, and for calculation it will be minus 3 for the first observation. So xi means 15 minus 105 divided by 30, so you have to calculate for all observations. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then calculate ui square, so square of all these values. Then calculate fi ui with the sign. So minus 3 with multiply by corresponding frequency minus 6. Similarly minus 2 with 3 minus 6, 5 with minus 1 and so on. Then calculate fi into ui square. So multiply ui square with the corresponding frequency. So 9 2s are 18. Similarly 4 3s are 12 and so on. Then we need the sum of fi ui. This is summation of fi ui, and this is summation of fi ui square. Sum of all frequencies, it is 30. So this is called capital N, or summation of fi. Now calculate mean. So using shortcut method, so mean is a plus h into summation of fi ui upon n. You put values, a 105, h is 30, summation of fi ui, that is 2, and after calculation it is 107. Then calculate variance. The formula is h square into summation of fi ui square, this value, divided by capital N, minus summation of fi ui upon n whole square. So this is summation of fi ui, and you can put the values here. It is h is 30, so 30 square. Summation of fi ui square is 76, so 76 upon capital N, it is 30, minus summation of fi ui is 2, so 2 upon 30 whole square, and calculate. After calculation you will find out it is 2276. So this is variance. If standard deviation is also required, then you can find its square root, that will be standard deviation. I hope it is clear. Then go on to question number 8 of the same exercise. So in this also we have to calculate mean and variance. So for mean we will follow the shortcut method. Class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, corresponding frequencies. So you first calculate xi, then calculate ui. So for ui we need a. So you find middle observation, so value of x in the middle observation. So this is middle observation, so it is 25, so value of a will be 25. H is the width, upper limit minus lower limit. So this can be done only if it is continuous frequency distribution. So h is 10. Then apply the formula xi minus a upon h, and it will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Then calculate ui square, square of this observation. Then calculate fi ui, multiply frequency with ui. So these are the values. Then calculate fi ui square, multiply these values with the corresponding frequencies. These are the values. So find addition of fi ui, find addition of fi ui square, and sum of all frequencies. Only 3 additions are required. Now calculate mean, apply the formula. So a plus h into summation of fi ui upon n, and it will be 27 after calculation. For variance, apply the formula h square into summation of fi ui square upon capital N minus summation of fi ui upon n whole square. So you put values and calculate, and you will find out it is 132. I hope it is clear. Move on to question number 10. These are the class intervals. In this question, you find the class intervals are not regular. So 36, then it is 37. So regular class intervals, so we have to convert into regular class intervals. For regular, you have to find average of these two values, 36 plus 37 upon 2, and that will be 36.5. Similarly 36.5 here. Then it is 40.5, similarly 44.5, and complete this table. So these are class intervals 32.5 to 36.5, and the last interval will be 48.5 to 52.5. Now calculate xi, mid values. So sum of these two observations divided by 2, so 30.4.5 and so on. Then locate a, mid value of xi. So this is mid value, so this is value of a, and 42.5, h is 4. Now use upper limit minus lower limit in this regular frequency distribution on the regular class intervals. So for this, calculation of h is different method. So upper limit minus lower limit can be used in this class interval, in these class intervals only. Now calculate, it is ui, so minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2, then ui square, then fi ui, then fi ui square. Find their addition and apply formula for mean, a plus h into summation of fi ui upon n. Put values, calculate mean, then variance h square into, so we have done the formula, and summation of fi ui square, it is 199 upon summation of fi, it is 100 minus summation of fi ui upon n whole square, and calculate, it will be 5.55. I hope it is clear.